Welcome to our channel. If you want to use your smartphone as a Roku remote control, follow these instructions to set up and use the Roku mobile app. Step 1. Download the official Roku mobile app from the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. Step 2. Install the app and open it on your smartphone. Step 3. Ensure your phone and Roku device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 4. The app will automatically search for Roku devices on your network. Select your Roku when it appears. Step 5. Once connected, tap the remote icon at the bottom of the app to access the virtual remote control. Step 6. Use the on-screen directional pad, OK button, and other controls just like you would with a physical remote. Step 7. Take advantage of the keyboard feature in the app for easier text entry when searching or logging into apps. Step 8. Use the voice search button in the app to speak commands rather than typing. The mobile app also lets you use private listening through your phone's headphones. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.